I welcome the waning moon. I am ready to release my self-limiting beliefs and close my eyes. I release the story that I am not enough. I release the voice that says I can't try. I release the need to prove my worth. I release the fear that my dreams are too big. I release the habit of shrinking to fit others' expectations. I release the belief that past mistakes define me. I release the idea that I must be the same forever. I release the need to compare my journey to someone else's. The thought that asking for help makes me weak. I release the inner critic that keeps me small. I let go of I'm not ready. I let go of I'll never be good enough. I let go of old labels that no longer serve me. I let go of the small stories that limit my choices. I let go of fear disguised as certainty. I let go of rehearsed doubts and recycled shame. I let go of other people's rules about who I should be. I let go of the habit of waiting for permission. I let go of not yet as a permanent sentence. I let go of the idea that growth must be painful. I release all self-limiting beliefs.